In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open a .mbox file from Gmail, Google Takeout. So if you now want to read the emails that you've downloaded, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So to do this, we're going to use a third-party software, which is completely free. So go to Google and type in Thunderbird. Once you've done that, you want to go to thunderbird.net. And we can then go ahead and use this to read our emails. So download this and it will start the download of the installation wizard. You can then run it, open it and install it. So open the installer and just install it. It will take 10 seconds. Once you've downloaded and installed it, click finish and it will open. Now it will probably try and get you to sign up for an account, but we don't need to sign up for anything or even connect an account for that matter. We can just simply go to the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then you can go to add-ons and themes, and then you can search here for import. Once you've done that, go to import export tools and click add to Thunderbird. That will then open this pop-up where you can click add. And once it's added, we can then go ahead and import our local files. So exit out of these other tabs. Now you should see, if you go to the mail icon, local folders, which is great, we can then right click on this and then go and click new folder. I'm going to give this a name. So because this is my Gmail takeout, I'll just name it Gmail. You then should see it appear here. You can click in it and then right click on it and then go import export tools and then import MBOX files. And then you can click individual MBOX files or all MBOX files from directory. You can then go ahead and find your MBOX files from Google Takeout. So mine are in mail. We'll click select folder. And then it's going to open them straight away. So now we've got all of my emails from the MBOX file, which was just my starred emails from Gmail. So now I've imported them. Go and try it for yourself and see if it works.